Hey everyone, this driver isn't actually the focus of the video, but they just happen to be a bonus view. As you can see, they were clearly behind the line while the light was red. Anyway, on with the show. Thanks for riding along today. If you found this clip interesting, or if it helped you stay a bit more alert on the road, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. Most of my viewers haven't hit that button yet, and your support really helps me keep the cameras rolling. Feel free to share the video and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.